Repair and soften coarse, thick hair with this extra-strength coconut oil hair mask free from parabens and sulfated surfactants. This deep conditioning treatment helps calm frizz and tame flyaways. Repair and revive your strands. The 6-ounce container of OGX Extra Strength Damage Remedy Coconut Miracle Oil Hair Mask Treatment deeply quenches each strand, transforming hair into silky smooth perfection. Deeply conditioning for coarse dry hair. Ideal for medium to coarse textures, medium to dry hydration levels, and medium to high volume hair types. This extra hydrating hair mask helps tame frizzy hair and flyaways, leaving hair feeling soft and shiny. Hair care inspired by nature. Nourishing Deep Conditioner contains coconut oil to help add luster, shine and softness, as well as vanilla bean extract and essence of tiare plus. The coconut milk, tangerine and warm vanilla scent leaves hair smelling great. Non-harsh and nourishing. Free from parabens, the sulfate-free surfactant haircare system is gentle for use on medium to coarse textured and thick hair and leaves locks feeling revived, nourished and renewed. Hair has a life of its own, and OGX wants to make sure it's a full life. Each innovative haircare formula is made with exotic ingredients to help hair shine, move, curl up, or hold tight, respectively, whatever sets its personality free. Safety information. Use only as directed. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse immediately. Keep away from children. Top reviews from the United States. Good moisturizing. Was moisturizing for my hair.